Hey boys and girls, so this week we're going to be doing something a little fun and different. It's now starting to be really close to summertime and it's starting to get warmer and everybody loves to go and have a nice ice cream cone. So for this week you guys are going to be learning how to draw an ice cream cone with a few scoops of ice cream, and you're going to get to pick what flavors and what kind of toppings you would like to add to your ice cream. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start, you're going to be making your cone. So towards the bottom of your paper, we're going to come down, and we don't want to make this super small. We're going to make the bottom curve a little and then go up and stop around here. I'm going to try to even this out, make sure that they come up just as high on both sides. Then I'm going to start with my bottom scoop. So as you can see in my original one, I made a line like this that's kind of like when we do a cloud to be the bottom of the ice cream. And we want to make our ice cream cones look like they are overlapping so that each one is sitting on top of the other. So I don't want to have that line going through. So let me show you how we're going to do that. We're going to start here. Go like this. And you guys are going to be doing this with your pencil. I'm doing it with a marker so you guys can see it a little better. So if I had a pencil, I would probably go in there and erase a little mistake like that I've made. So just take your time, erase your mistakes, and just keep going. Now for the top of this scoop, we're going to go like this. We're going to go up and curve it, but I'm not going to go all the way. This side I'm going to do the same. Up and curve and stop right there. So for my next scoop, I want to make it a little smaller. I'm going to do the same thing though. Right? Up and curve, and I'm going to add one more here. If you have room and want to add more, go for it. You add as many scoops as you'd like. If you'd like to just do 2 big ones, or if you want to keep adding until you get to the top of your paper, it's totally up to you. So we have our ice cream all done. So we need to make our cone have lines. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go this direction first, stop when you get to the ice cream, like this. You want to try to make them space the same amount every time, and then we're going to go the opposite direction, like when we make the letter X. If you make them really close together, you're going to have a lot of lines to make. So now I have my cone done. Now it's really up to me, and it's going to be up to you guys to decide what kind of ice cream you would like to do. Think of all the toppings that you see at an ice cream shop. So I'm going to actually pause the video here. I'm going to show you some ideas for different toppings that you could do, or different flavors of ice cream. Get your ideas, and then I'm going to pick it back up and have my ice cream all completely decorated. You guys can decorate your ice cream however you would like. Alright, so as you can see, I have all of my ice cream completely decorated. When you have yours done, if you do have a black marker, you could go ahead and trace. If you don't, that's okay. So the next step would be coloring. You have a lot of space back here too, so if you'd like to decorate yours, feel free. What I did was just simply make stripes going down. If you want to draw hearts or triangles, or if you want to make a sign for your ice cream shop, if you want to draw your hand to look like it's holding the ice cream, that's going to be totally up to you guys. So just to kind of show you, maybe I'm going to make a bunch of little triangles, just going in different directions, just to kind of decorate my picture so I can add some color. And you guys can use whatever you like to color with. If you want to use markers or crayons, colored pencils. If you have paint and your parents let you paint, you can paint these. Whatever you guys would like to use is fine. So once you have that, what you want to think about when you color is using different colors. So for example, if I want to make this ice cream purple because I want the flavor to be grape, should my M&Ms that I have on top be the same color? So the answer would be no. I don't want them to be the same color because I want it to look nice and colorful, like I have different kinds of M&Ms on top. So I might pick orange for one. Maybe I would make another one yellow. And I might make this one green. All right, when I have my chocolate sauce here, I might color it brown, or it could be caramel or strawberry sauce. My sprinkles here, I might want to do rainbow sprinkles, or maybe I want them to be chocolate sprinkles. This ice cream I have, so it maybe looks like it's peanut butter fudge, and I have swirls of peanut butter, and maybe I want this to be vanilla, but your ice cream can be any flavor you want, so that means it can be any color that you want. Same thing with your background, make it nice and colorful, and color in your cone. That's it for this week, boys and girls. So when you have your picture completely finished, please make sure that you post a picture in Google Classroom, or you make sure that your parents take a picture and email it to me. And I can't wait to see how all of your ice cream cones come out. Take care, guys. See you next week.